Good morning. How did you sleep?
I slept well, thank you.
Did you brush your teeth this morning?
Yes, I did.
Did you have fun at school today?
Yes, I played with friends.
What's your favorite subject in school?
I like drawing.
Do you like to sing or dance more?
I like singing.
What do you want for snack time?
I want some yummy cookies, please.
What did you have for lunch today?
I had a yummy sandwich and some fruit.
Did you help with chores today?
Yes, I helped clean my room.
Did you help clean up your toys?
Yes, I cleaned up.
Did you learn something new today?
I learned about butterflies.